We mooted the argument, but given the social distancing guidelines that are currently in place and that we're not presently, but for today, for the actual argument, working out of the law school, we did Zoom with numerous people, other members of the faculty, people in the defense bar, and tried to get as many judges as possible to throw questions my way in an effort to just prepare for the virtual setting where, rather than having the feedback from viewing somebody person to person, trying to identify cues over video that a question is being asked and affording the appropriate respect and deference when those questions are asked.
And one group that Jamie omitted, and I'm certain it's because he considers them such a core part of our main team, are the many students who assisted, current students and long ago graduates, assisted in all the preparation, did side research on narrow issues, were present for almost maybe every moot meeting we had. And I think in some strange way, all of the meetings we've had, the classes we've taught over Zoom helped prepare you, Jamie, and it would be interesting to speak to that, for seeing all the judges on a screen in front of you. It was very much like teaching class in a way.
I think that's right. I mean, it was. I don't know if I'd say teaching class, because judges in front of me come to it with probably more knowledge than I'll ever have. But it was definitely similar in that they were sending questions my way. And on the students, Ace Factor is one that I specifically want to shout out. He's been working or helping on this case since we first received the case. He was with us when we filed the motion for pre-filing authorization with the Court of Appeals, seemingly long ago now. And he's just always stood up whenever we needed help and said, sure, I'm happy. And when we were preparing the moots, he was at each one. So I just wanted to single him out because it seems like he's been gone from the law school for a long time, but his clinical experience lives with him and he still jumps in whenever he can.
Well, the preparation is not just to get ready to do it on Zoom, but just the preparation for the argument itself, the number of people involved in that, the number of hours that Jamie put into it, doing moot courts, as well as just, reviewing the record, becoming familiar with the records, being able to cite to pages in the joint appendix. That's an enormous amount of work to prepare for, what amounted to about a 45-minute argument. The students helped, they did research projects. Issues would come up during a moot court. They would they would go away and do research and send memos and emails. It was lawyering at its very best and under the most challenging situations.